What do all wealthy business owners have in common? Today, I'm going to share that with you. Hey, my name's Jesse Eker, and guess what? Wealthy business owners tend to do things similar to each other, and the way that they act is, there's a lot of commonalities that they all do, so they get similar results, which is success, right? That's what you want. So one of the things that successful people tend to do on an ongoing basis, especially if they're a business owner, especially a wealthy business owner, is they set something called a KPI. A KPI stands for a key performance indicator. And we do this in our business in 3 different forms. One form is we have a department for our company called Get Leads. We want to make sure that department's in charge of getting leads. So when we're coming up with KPIs for that department, we're saying a specific amount of percentage growth in leads or a certain number. What I like to do for a KPI is either use a numerical or a percentage. So 15% lead growth or 10,000 new leads every single week. Whatever it is, that is considered a KPI. It's something that you can measure to see if you're on the right track to hitting your overall goals. And I like doing 90-day KPIs because when you have a whole year KPI, you have no room for adjustments. And us humans, we tend to leave things to the last minute and not track anything. So 90 days keeps us focused enough. It keeps us on track enough. It keeps us short enough so we don't lose focus. We don't get distracted on the next shiny object thing that comes around. And it really does help us make adjustments throughout the year so that we can go and hit our overall objectives and goals, right? So the KPI on one side for us is get leads. And there's many different ways we get leads. One is through social media. One is through email marketing. One is through paid advertising. One is through earned media. One is through organic marketing and SEO. Lots of different ways we get leads. So the question is, how do we create the KPI for the leads? And we simply just do a few different things. One is a percentage of lead growth. Another is percentage of social media growth and how many actual net leads we get. So that would be on our email list. So how many people subscribe to our list, how many people unsubscribe, and then the difference is the net people we have on our list. That's the lead side. We look at the next side, this is the next pillar for our team at least, it's make money. We want to make money. So we want to take those leads and we want to turn them into buyers and customers. And we want to make sure that we are doing a good job monetizing those people. So KPIs for that are revenue on a month-to-month basis, right? We want to look at revenue streams, like what's our recurring revenue versus our one-off revenue. So we want to make KPIs in those areas. So that's another one. Then the final one for us is expand the business. That's the third pillar for us. And that's really kind of like the delivering the promise. We want to about systemizing the company and creating super fans. So for us, the most important metric there is customer lifetime value and churn rate. Also, how many people are buying again, right? So customer lifetime value means when someone comes into your ecosystem, how much is the average person buying on the lifetime that they're in your ecosystem before they go off or whatever they stay. So the higher your lifetime value, normally the better off that you're doing, or the good ascension customer journey you have going on. So if our lifetime value is going up and we have the same entry point from month 1 to month 6, we're doing a good job of taking care of our customers and ascending them to the next level of what can be their growth. So those are the 3 areas that we create KPIs. A KPI, again, is a key performance indicator that you know that you're on the right track. What you track improves, my friends. So if you're not tracking, you can't improve. And this is the easiest way for you to look at what you're doing. And a principle that I learned from T. Harv Eker, who is my father, is it's called correct and continue. So if you're not tracking, you can't correct anything and you can't continue it. You can't see what's working, what's not working, where you can improve. You want to see what's working so that you can do more of it. You want to see what's not working so you can either improve or get rid of it. Business is simple once you put the most important fundamental parts in there. I never said it's easy, but it's simple. If you simplify it, you'll do much better, you'll be more focused, and you get better results. Hopefully this video is enlightening for you or insightful for you. I'd love to know what you got the most out of it. Please comment below and let me know. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to our channel. Make sure that you subscribe. We do awesome videos like this on the reg, where I'm gonna give you money topics, mindset topics, impact topics, how to be a better leader, how to be a better trainer, how to make more money, how to become more financially free, how to improve your business, grow your business, and work on your marketing, how to actually change your beliefs, have better attitudes, be more productive, and get more habits. All these things I talk about on my YouTube channel, so just go ahead, subscribe now, and we'll be sending you weekly videos like this. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your commitment to learning and grow. It's so awesome that you're watching this video, and bye for now.